In this short video, I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use Yandex Переводчик. It's translate.yandex.ru. This is an online translator, but we are going to use it more for its dictionary functionality. So I'm going to try typing in back, like we've used before. So it tries to guess what you want, but of course, spina is only one of many possible choices. So the thing that I want you to pay more attention to are the things down here. So here you have some possible related words. And then over here we have some of the different possibilities. It doesn't have nearly as many as what a good dictionary would have, but it does have some. It has the parts of speech here written. Sush means noun, существительное. Прил, adjective, прилагательное. And you can tell by the endings here. Наречие is adverb, and gлагол is verb. So you should think about what part of speech you want for back, and then scroll down, and there might be a correct choice here. Another thing it has here is it says показать примеры, show the examples. So it shows some examples that could be useful. And it has some предложения, some sentences that can help you kind of see if you're using the right one. Another nice thing that this has is that it has a pronunciation. So let's listen to the word.
Спина.
And so then if I click on, I'm going to go back to the dictionary. If I click on one of these other choices here, then I can also listen to this one.
Обратный.
So now I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try this судеб that we had before and see what happens. When I choose судеб, it thinks maybe I want судебном. I don't want that, but here some things pop up and we can see something about what it's related to. But let's try it. See, it thinks I want судебном, but when I click, I don't. I want судеб. There we go. Now it comes up with the right form, судьба. And another useful, so you can see over here what the original nominative case is, and then it has some of the definitions here. And then another thing that's useful here, it has synonyms. And it also has, could be really useful, words that are related to it. So if I click this, it comes up with судьбина. Let's see if let's put something else in. Let's put in обратно and see what kind of related words. It gives some other possibly words that are related to it, so that can be useful as well. So this is translate.yandex.ru. Don't only use the translator part, use this part much more than this part, because you'll need to have more information in order to choose the right form. The computer, of course, doesn't really know which of the forms you want to use.